And we Sky Prototyping and Tooling Company, a GS Group company. This is the boss, Leo of GS Group. 这是我们的老板廖先生 Leo。
你们好。
你们好。
就是说，非常欢迎他们来到我们这边嘛。然后让他们公司给我们提供一个这样的平台，让他们来了解我们公司。
Yeah, Leo is very happy to receive everyone here, and it's our honor, big honor, and thank you for you guys to take everyone here. Thank you very much.
谢谢。
So let's start. Next.
介绍一下我们公司。
Okay, so you just have a look for seconds. I want to say, if you have any questions about this page, just ask. We one by one, and some questions on the side you can just ask, and we can tell you and discuss. Okay? 先看一下我们的介绍，看一眼。GS Group is we are professional for rapid prototyping, founded in 2003, and based in Shenzhen. We have some branches in Dongguan City, Xiamen City, and Kunshan City near to Shanghai. SKY is one of the strong companies of the GS Group, and we do the prototyping, small production, and mass production, both for plastic and metal. And GS Group is top 10 company in China for prototyping. And we do business more than 66 countries and some regions all over the world. That's some branches companies GS Group have. Yeah, there is no one company named GS, but GS Group is the group name for GS, such as We Are Sky. And the second floor is LT Century model. So different companies have different names. We have three companies in Shenzhen here. One is the 2-1 we just visit, and another one is about to walk 5 minutes around here. It's Leo's first factory. It's the longest history, but it's poor, so we didn't take you there. And in Dongguan have 2 model and 1 tooling. In Kunshan we have 1. It's near Shanghai. And now the develop very fast one is in Xiamen. That one. We will have more than 200 set machines in the next 3 years. Now this year we will have 30 machines. Because this Xiamen is in Xiamen, Anxi town is cheaper than here. The cost, the labor cost for some water, the factory rent is about 30 lower than here. So in the future, we will develop this factory for the most. We can move some simple parts to that factory base, and to keep the difficult and the VIP clients, maybe products here in Shenzhen. Okay.
Xiamen is a cheaper than here, or Kunming is a cheaper than here? Xiamen or maybe some home.
Is another province. Is
okay.
It's near Taiwan.
Okay. Xiamen, okay.
Yeah.
There is a cheaper than here.
It's cheaper.
Yes,
30%. So we set a factory there. We can reduce our cost and to reduce the price. That's the challenge. This is the main business, the main services we can produce. First one is we can cause this vacuum casting. Another one is RTV caster users. It's for plastic material. We just to see on the second floor. Do you know the very simple sample, the silicone mold? That one. That is the first one. Is produce the quantity less than 500 pieces plastic. Because if we only need maybe 20, 30, 100, no need to make the injection tooling. So just use that silicone, very simple tooling. And the second one is 3, the 5 and the 4 axis CNC machines. The most machines you can see in the 2 factories, 3, 4, and 5 axis, both for metal and plastic. Next one is mass plastic injection production. So I think everyone knows that it's for the plastic mass production. And the next one is mass metal die casting production and sheet metal prototyping and mass production. The last one is sublime packaging for complex products. If you have some big parts for many quantity, need a sublime or packaging, we can help you. Okay. Next one is our service, our characteristic. First one is our reasonable suggestion from the experienced engineering, because from our experience, some designers maybe the design is a little revised to suitable for the production, more better. We can give them some suggestion, not to revise your design, but to revise for better to the production. Like the next page, 下一页看一下. For such as this one is aluminum parts. The customer wanted to be produced from the extrusion, but because the gap between the teeth is too small, it's only 1.8 millimeter, so it's not suitable for the extrusion. We suggest the customer to revise this gap to 3 millimeter. So for such kind of suggestions, we can give the customer yearly. Get back. No. 上去 The next one is urgent project system, putting urgent project in priority position. For such as you have some products for exhibition, or you need this part for a meeting with your customer, or some meetings, you need this part very urgent. Just tell us, we can put it in a priority position. Yeah, and the next one is free after sales services. If the products have the problem, yeah, because our problem, you can send it back to repair, or ask us to make new ones for you for free. And next one is for the non-disclosed agreement. We sign every time to this non-disclosed agreement to keep your information for security. And the files is Yanti very quickly response. You can see in the factory our workers are very young, so we very quickly response and can working very hard.
How old are level of employee?
Maybe 25 for the
25.
average.
Okay.
Yeah. And next one is experienced energy engineering control the good quality. Most of the employee of the workers in the factory have years experience, so they have lots of experience to know how to do this part, how to control the quality. The next one. This is the product size range. You can have a look by yourself. Any questions? No. Okay. This one the sample is just here. You can see this one. This is this one. This is the sample from a gearbox of a car. You can see some information just on the left. For CNC, just for CNC, this is a big one for us and a very complex one for us. Okay, any questions? No, next one. This is the plastic samples. You can see on the middle of the table.
Yes.
You can have a look one by one. This one is just the first technique we can do. On the list is the vacuum casting. The master is produced by 5X CNC for materials clear PMMA. This sample is designed by us just to show the different textures and the clear material and our vacuum casting technique for the lighting. This one we can do this 12 days. 12 days. Okay, any questions? No. Some samples. Some samples we produced before. You also can maybe you just remember you have watched them in the display room and first floor here. If you want to ask some questions about anyone, you can just ask me. Next one. I see from this picture they are same size, but in fact they're different. Someone is very big. This is all the business process. So first one, make prototype. And after you confirm the you design the prototype, go on to the mold, tooling, and next for the production. Then packaging, then shipping. So we can do all of them. It's okay. The market layout is, you can see we can do the industrials for aviation, automotive, consumer electronics, home appliance, medical equipment, and the consumer digital products, and so on. The material we do is mainly for metal and plastic, and some very hard wood material. Can do glass. And materials such as aluminum, stainless steel, copper, brass, and ABS, MABS, PMMA. This is the material on this page. And some clients we have a GE, Google, and Bendy, Volkswagen, BenQ, Fire, Philips, and BYD. I mean, I think some customers you know, right? It's just the service mode. The most we do is automotive. So you can see whether you are on the list. Okay. Next.
It's based on revenue, right? Based on revenue, not quantity. 量还是我们也有算过，我们也有算过。
是，对，里面。Some machines just the ineffective we have. Just a part, a small part, because can't put every machine on this PPT. I think you have made them before, just on the two factories. Yeah. That's one. Okay, that's the context information. I think you have got the business card, right?
Yes.
That you can contact the sales or the email list up here. Okay, so finished.